Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a reliable proxy which you can use for your web browsing and other things that you want to use for. So guys, if you are running automation, AI workflows, or even managing multiple accounts, online accounts, one of the biggest problems you will run into is account bans and unstable connections. Yeah, this usually happens when platforms detect too many actions coming from the same IP addresses. Yeah, that's where NodeMaven proxies come in. Yeah, I'll quickly go over to the website to show you guys how it looks. Yeah, so what is this NodeMaven I'm talking about? NodeMaven is a private proxy pool built for automation, AI workflows, scaling systems, and multi-account setups. They mainly offer residential and mobile proxies, which are much more reliable for real-world automation tasks. They also provide ISP proxies, which are static, meaning you get a fixed IP that's great for long-term accounts. Yeah, what I like about this NodeMaven is that it helps to increase account lifespan and reduce bans, which is extremely important if you are using automation or scaling online system. Their network is also massive with 2,200 plus region. Wow, that's massive. 8,000 plus cities. Wow, and also thousands of ISPs addresses, so you can run your workflows more reliably. Another thing I like is their guarantees. If a proxy fail, they credit $1 back to your account balance. Wow, they offer same day refund if you're not satisfied with it, and they also even have a price beat guarantee if you find a better deal somewhere else. Wow, so NodeMaven are also kept very strong pricing for level of stability and quality they provide. And also, with my promo link in the description of this video, it become an even better deal. So guys, click on the link down the description of this video to register on this website. So I'm going to show you guys how, like, I'll teach you guys step by step on how you can register on this platform, which is NodeMaven. If you have not signed up yet, what you need to do is just scroll down to where you see create an account. Okay, let me scroll down. Yeah, click on this create an account. If you click on this create an account, yeah, you just take you over here. So let me use this my other browser. So you can see if you click on create account, it will show you this interface. So what you need to do here is enter your email and enter your password. It's as simple as that. Then once you enter your email and your password, just click on get started. So I already have an account with them, so I'll click just log into my account. Yeah, so I'll just log into my account. I'll click on verify you are a human. So it's verifying. Once it's verification successful, so what I'll need to do is just log in. Yeah, so this is my email. I'll just log into my account. Yeah, once you must have logged into your account, so this is how the dashboard will look like on NodeMaven. You understand? So guys, initially, once you must have logged into your account, and after creating the account, you see that you have this traffic left. You see it in 0 GB. Why? Because you have not topped up your balance yet. Because mine, I've topped up my balance. That's why you are seeing this 5 GB here. So guys, for you, you'll be seeing 0 GB because you have not topped up your balance. So guys, I'm going to be taking you through step by step on how you can top up your balance and also set up your proxy for use. So guys, without wasting much of your time, just click on this 4 dot icon here. Once you must have clicked, now go over to pricing. Once you click on pricing, it will just open. Now you can see residential and mobile proxies. You can get the best here. So you can see pay as you go, or you can pay, you can go for build monthly, you can go for pay per IP. You understand? So I'm going for build monthly. You understand? So let's say you are going for build monthly. Mind you, I've already paid mine. You know, so I've already top up my balance. So let's say I want to buy another GP now. So I'm going to be going for this 2 GB that's being sold for $8. Understand? It's being sold for $8. Understand? So but initial payment says $11. So what's that? If you use my promo code on the description of this video, I'm going to be pinning it at the comment section. If you use the promo code, you get a discount bonus. So you can see this 2 GB. Now I'm going to click on buy now. Yeah, so it's loading now. So guys, I want you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give us a thumbs up, and also comment down this video and comment down these videos to give me your thought and your review about this website called NodeMaven Proxy. They are the best once more. So guys, it's loading. Yeah, it's loading. Think network issue, but it's loading. Yeah, so guys, once now you're about to make the payment, you understand, you're about to make the payment. You can see start payment details. So guys, they have two methods of payment. You can pay through your credit card, which consists of your MasterCard, your Visa card, and your AMEX. You understand? So you can pay through cryptocurrencies, which consists of Bitcoin, Litecoin, Tether, Ethereum, like any coin which you can pay with them. So let's say I want to pay with my MasterCard. I'm going to click on this credit card. Yeah, so account type. Now you can see this account type. We have two account type here, which are the individual and the organization. Now if you are buying for yourself, for your personal use, I suggest that you go for individual. But if you're buying for organization, like for group of people, for a group of people, that's when you are going for organization. But I'm going for myself for individual use. That's why I'm going for individual. Yeah, so this order summary, you can see residential proxy package is 11.43 cent dollar. That's $11. That's $11.43. So that is it. So you can see that is for 2 gig monthly. You understand? So you can see this unused traffic will be transferred. That is 5 gig. You won't see this here. Reason because We haven't purchased it yet. You understand? Like, but mine, I've purchased this 5 gig before, and I want to purchase another one. That's why they're telling me that unused traffic will be added to the recent one I will buy. You understand? So, but yours, you won't see it here. So, guys, you are seeing this $11.3. You understand? Calm down. You understand? So you can see this applying coupon code. So if you want to have a coupon code, just go over to the comment section. You will see the coupon code. I paste it there in the pinned comment section. Just click on it and copy it here. You can see the initial payment and the total due is $11 for 3 cents. So guys, click on this apply coupon code. Now, I'll pin it in the comment section. You understand? You can see this for $11. Click on apply. Once click on apply now, it will load up. Yeah, so it have loaded up. You can see this $11 for 3 cents have automatically been reduced to $8. You can see that is a bonus of almost minus $3 for 3 cents. So you will now be paying $8. It's as simple as that. That's if you use my promo code that I will paste in my comment section. Now you can see continue the payment. Click on continue. It will be loading. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Yeah, so it will show this interface. So what you need to do, you can see start plan 2 gig residential data purchased by donor. This is my email. You can see we have to pay $8 for this. So remember, from the initial, I'm using my card. So if you're using your card, just input your card number, input details, input your card code name, then click your country or region. Now click on pay. Once you pay, it will now reflect on your balance. Like that place I showed you guys, that place, like you see your balance on traffic. You understand? That traffic, you see this 2 gig on your traffic, but mine, you'll be seeing 5 gig because I subscribe for 5 gig. You understand? So I'll just go after you must have made the payment. Now just go back. Yeah, just go back when the initial place you started. So you'll be seeing this unused traffic will be transferred. You'll be seeing 2 gig here. Now this is how you can top up your balance. It's as simple as that. As easy. You understand? Now just go back again. Just go back to the dashboard. Yeah, so this is the dashboard. Now after you must have topped up your balance. Now this is how you can now set up your proxy. Here you'll be seeing this traffic left, you'll be seeing 2 gig here. You understand? But mine is 5 gig. You'll be seeing 2 gig here. Now what we do on how to set up your proxy, now go over to this 4 icon here. Now go over to premium rotating proxies. Click on it. It will load. It will show up this interface. Now you can see setup, proxy setup. You can see authenticated. Now the number one is connection type. Now you see residential, you will see mobile proxies here. So I'm making use of residential. So if anyone that is confident for you, like you can be using mobile, you can be using residential. So I'm making use of residential proxy. I will leave it at residential proxy. Now the second one is IP version. I'll be leaving it in IPv4 only. Understand? I don't want it to be too much. Now number 3 is location settings. Now the country in which you want to buy the proxy from. Now just click on, if you want to buy it on random country, it's good, but I'm going for UK, that's United Kingdom. You understand? So I'll just, you either type it or you can just scroll down all the way down. Now go to letter U. Go from letter U. Okay. So you can see it's a United Kingdom. You can buy from United States. That is if you want to, but I'm going for United Kingdom. So I'll just click on it. Now, which region are you buying it from? So I'm buying it from England, like London, England. You understand? Now, which city are you buying it from? You understand? Just click on it again. I'm buying it from Birmingham. Where's Birmingham? Letter B. Birmingham. Okay, Birmingham. So I'll buy it from Birmingham. Now, the next one is ISP. Understand? That is the network. Understand? So I will buy that many type of network here, and they are excellent. They are good. But if you are doing survey, you must have come through all this network. Like you must have come across this network here, this ISP. This unlike Vodafone, unlike Talk, unlike Green Communication. But I'm making use of Virgin Media. I love it so much. So I'll click on Virgin Media. So I can leave this zip target in here. Just can go over to number 4. That is session type. If you want the ISP to be sticky, you can leave it to be sticky. If you want it to rotate in, it's all good, but I'm leaving it to be sticky. You understand? So you can see this quality proxy access. I will leave it as quality default, but you can as well change your own. Let's click on it. You can as well change your own to these settings here. So I'll leave it as quality default. Now this protocol, I'm making use of SOX 5. It works best for me. I'll leave it at SOX 5. Now you can see your username, your proxy password, the host, the port. Now all these are the main details that you need to put to make it to start working and to connect it to your app you want to use. Like I'm recommending Super Proxy for it, so you can connect it to your Super Proxy and start using it. So guys, you can see these are the host, the port, and the now this is the port proxy generator. So you can see the host port, you can see the host port, username and password. So this is accordingly how it will be. So you can just go over there to copy it. Now to paste it in any browser or any app. You can use more logins, you can use Super Proxy, but for me, I'm using Super Proxy. So I'll quickly show you guys how you can connect it to your Super Proxy. So this is how you can set up your proxy on NodeMaven after you must have topped up your account. So this is how you can set up your proxies on NodeMaven app or website you're about. So you can see this is how it looks like. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect it to your super proxy app. Once you must have buy it here, so just go over to your app. So this is the super proxy app here. So you can see the app. Go over to your Play Store or Apple Store to download it. So click on add proxy. Once you click on add proxy, you can see the profile name. I can name it anything. Let me just say NodeMaven. You understand? You can name it your name, anything at all. You can name it. So you can see, leave it out. You can see the HTTP. Go to this protocol. You can see the HTTP. You can see the SOX 5. I'm leaving it at SOX 5. Now you can see the server. The server, just minimize. Go over here. Now the server is the host. Copy. Now minimize again. Go over to the SOX 5. Now you click it. Now the port is what? You can see it might be the port is 1080. Now this is the port. You can see anyone that you put here and it didn't mark good, just know that you didn't put it correctly. So you can see the server is marked correctly, the port is now marked correctly. Now go over to this authentication method. You can see username and password. Just click on username and password. Now the username, just minimize once again. Go over to that place. Now you can see the proxy username. Just copy it, minimize again. Now go over to the username, input the username there. Now the password, minimize again. Go over to there. You can just copy it. Click on copy. Now minimize again. Now go back to it and click on password. Add it to your password. So this is the password. Now once you can see every details here are correctly imputed. You understand? So once you see that it's marked bad or something, just know that you do input it correctly. So leave it at this. Just click on save. Now it's now saved. Now for you to start working, just click on start. You can see. Okay, this is an ad. This is an ad. Yeah, so it's working now. You can see if you look at the top screen here, you can see the VPN. So the proxy now is now at work. You understand? So what will I do for me to check whether this this proxy is now connected to United States, England, and Birmingham, to be precise with? What will I do to know that this proxy is correct and secured? Now, yeah, just go over to your Chrome browser, search on ipscore.com or word.net. You will see where the ISP is connected from, or you can go over to this app and make use of IP address dictator to check whether the ISP or the proxy is connected to United States. So I'll go to ISP address dictator. So it's gonna load. Once it's loaded, you can see the details here. The country here is United Kingdom. You can see, and also the origin, that is ISP, is in Virgin Media. You can see the city and region is connected to UK. So guys, this is how this platform works. So guys, see you on my next video. Bye.